Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today I will show you how to sign house, mansion, and castle. Are you ready? Let's get started. For the sign house. To sign house, simply take both hands, palm facing downwards, bring them slightly touching together at the thumb and the index finger in a 45-degree angle. Then from here, move them apart, and then turn the palms to face one another and go downward. Let me show you what that looks like in real time. That is how you sign house. The sign mansion. To sign mansion, actually, you have to do two signs. The first sign is fancy. So to sign fancy, you take your dominant hand, form a 5, and from here, the thumb in an upward-outward motion will strike or graze up against the sternum twice. Let me show you what that looks like from the side. And then from here, you'll form a C and move that C to face the ground. And while you're doing that, you will do this expression with your face. Now let me show you what that looks like all in real time. That is how you sign mansion. The sign castle. To sign castle, you actually take both hands and form C's. The thumbs will touch. And from here, in an arc-like outward motion, you will move them apart. Then you'll move them apart again, same motion. Then from here, you'll go downwards with the C's. And then also now do the sign stone. To sign stone, you actually take both hands, form A's. The dominant hand is on top of the non-dominant hand, and you will strike twice. So let me show you what that looks like again in real time. That is how you sign castle. If you learned anything from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Last but not least, hit that notification button. If you're interested in learning more about American Sign Language, take a look at my other ASL videos.